This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
So, what's our highest? Is it still 500x, guys? Oh, yay, baby, we got a crazy time. Oh, let's go. You got some real serious business to accomplish, guys. Picking your flapper ain't no joke. It's like real important. So, you're gonna get given 15 seconds to choose a green, blue, or yellow. If you don't pick anything, it will be the atypic feature sorting out for you, so whatever way is your way. It's my way. It's my way. Ooh, a bit of a Limp Bizkit there in my mind right now. What's in your mind right now, guys? Anyway, good luck with our first crazy time in this session, and I go green.
This is the amount of money issued, 323,450 for euros.
Fire! You got a highest multiplier! 200x! Look at you, champions! Look at you! Lady Luck was picking blue. Woo-hoo! 40 wins, dear. Daddy, Varia, and who you got the highest free wins? Top wins are almost 44,000 euros for you, Daddy. Mommy's gonna be very happy. Best in times closing.
This is already back to back. This was back to back to back to back to back to back, and we are back. Let's go. Okay, now we have to switch on crazy time because there is 4 times multiplier. Right, Roxy, I got the same. 4 kind of good flips. Mr. Coin Flip? Well, right about now you can call me Mr. Topslot. Cause I give you that crazy time and there is 4x. OMG, look at what I'm doing in my free time. Practicing the Topslot for you. Let's go, let's go. I think so as well, Hero, but okay. Then take all the money, buddy. Then just take all the money. Because, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we did that 4x multiplier on the whole wheel. And right now you have to pick one of those symbols. Not symbols, but the fluffers. Green, blue, and yellow, obviously. Majority is picking the blue. We are trying to give you 400. Or maybe just double it.
This is the amount of money issued, 900,742 euros.
$100 for blue, $100 for yellow, 400 for green. More than 9.2 thousand of you with money voting 27,025 as a second best win and 13 plus as a third one. Let's go green, baby. 400x and those 2 honeys over there wasn't that bad at all. OMG. OMG, that was so lovely.
Hello. Last pachinko was 25x, lucky. Lucky. I realize I'm a queen of everything. Queen of ones, queen of twos, queen of fives. Queen of luck, queen of unluck. Great how it works. It depends from the day, huh? Skin I heard invisible to 2 number 7. Yes, my tattoo glows in the dark. Disco. Disco lights. Disco. Oh, we got crazy time. Let's go. Let's go. Party rock is in the house tonight. Come with me. go. Welcome, players. Welcome to the crazy time. Let's put a 4x from the top slots. Look at all those multipliers. Wow, we were looking nice, looking yummy. And now, time for you to make some decisions. If you won't make your decisions, they will be made automatically. I see that the blue has your hearts. Highest multiplier is 400x and good luck. Double 1600. Let's sell the wheel for the green one. Highest multiplier is 800x and good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 124,288 euros.
Guess who's back? Back again, ladies, back. Tell a friend. Over 3,500 of you. Well done. Congratulations to all around winners. Nice. That was a nice catch. Skin, I won't be here tomorrow, so...
Topslot. Dos. Cheers, my friend, of course. Enjoy your pizza, my friend. Yo. Yes, sir. It's in, baby. That's how you do it, my friend. You've doubted me? Well, hopefully that was for the last time we have a 5x kind of a hunt. Roar indeed, babysita, mamacita. This one looking kind of juicy. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, 500x is the biggest target on the carousel. Look at those numbers. Smells like pizza. Can you smell it? I can smell the pizza a continent away. Oh, it's gonna be juicy. Decision time as the shuffling is complete. You have to choose one simultaneous veil and seek out potentially that 500x as the maximum. We have Harding somewhere. Where is that? Where is that? I don't know. Decision time is done. It's the moment of truth.
This is the amount of money issued 71,693 euros.
Of you who found the 500x, yo. 2,030 of you. Where the claps at? Where the claps at? Dobry, especially Dobry 666, my friend from hell. You're gaming. Found the good old 500x. Impressive intuition, but you would expect nothing less from a demon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ho, ho, ho. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo! This one's going places, and those places are crazy. My friends have 5x room, red room of legends. Ho, ho, ho. Gonna get a baby, baby. We are cooking with this one, a 5x crazy time and a triple as well. Ho, ho. Decision time, green, blue, yellow flappers as always are on the menu, my friends. Ooh, baby, baby, 1,000x. Ho, ho, ho. Vamos, baby, enjoy.
This is the amount of money issued 113,057 euros.
250x for the green, for the yellow, 100x for the yellow, and 1,600 overall. That was an amazing treat. This one deserves a lot of roaring in the chat. Bing. That's how you do it in the jungle. No need even for a warm-up. Straight away at 5x, kind of a crazy time. Yo! Enjoy the wins, enjoy the pizza. And I will accept all these things.
You guys had a fun time here together, everybody. Let's go. Let's see the multiply. What do you have here? We're going to Topslot, we're going to cash out with a 3x, and let's get out of here. One, and next, everybody. Let's go try to perform a waterfall time together. Of course. You can see it for ourselves. Let's go. Alright, on. We're going to cash on with a 3x. Yeah, let's go. Now, here we are, buddy, at the cash. And of course, it's going to be a multipliers when they stop. Let's go, everybody. Woo! Max multiplier. My days. 1,500x max multiplier. Let's go, y'all. Boom. Now, of course, everybody, these multipliers are going to be shuffled up, so they're not going to be in the same spot as they saw these multipliers, alrighty? So, everybody, good luck and have some fun here. Use anything you like here when the stream time is going to be open. It's going to be open right here, right now. Yeah. Choose anything you like here. Cactus, apple, your cupcake present. It doesn't matter what it is, everybody. Good luck and have some fun. But if you do not choose in time, it is going to be automatically victorious. So everybody, good luck, have some fun, and select all, yeah. Let's see for ourselves.
This is the amount of money issued 38,151 euros.
Let's go and see, everybody. Topslot with a cash out with a 20x, everybody, on my days. Put a cash on 20x, y'all. Cash out with a 20x. Hey, here we are, y'all. Hey, yo, that's what's up. That goes, everybody. Here we go. Right on. Max multiplier. What's it going to be? 2,000x, and let's go, y'all. Let's do this. Of course, everybody, these multipliers are going to be shuffled up, so they're not going to be in the same spot as you saw these multipliers. Of course, they are hiding behind these objects. And the fit, everybody, good luck and have some fun once again. And also, that's it, guys. It's a great time. Choose anything you like here. Pick anything. Pick any kind of object you want here. But of course, everybody, if you do not choose in time, it is going to be automatically picked for you. So good luck and have some fun. And select all. Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's see. Them results.
This is the amount of money issued 432,371 euros.
With a 2000x. Wow, congratulations, all of you.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.